Yeah.
I think that's a spider.
That's a butterfly.
But it has a eye.
Ah.
We already went here.
Let's go.
Look up. Look up. Look at the iguana. Look up. Right?
Iguana? Where? Ah. There's a iguana here.
I see an iguana. It's camouflaging. I see a move.
Where? Oh, there's iguana.
Look. Turtles look slow. They're gonna eat. One is sleeping. Three are eating. They're eating food. But this big back turtle is eating by himself.
Lit lang pala to.
Oo.
Ano yung sabi yung pupunta natin next?
He's eating. He's eating.
May daga oh. Ulit. Bubuit oh. Pagkain. Ay! Oh, karamarira!
He wants to eat.
Don't disturb me eating.
Oh. Is that water?
He's eating.
I found a rat.
Yeah.
What is that?
That's the food.
What a rat.
May papaya sila dito, no? May papaya. Kaya tayo magtinola. May papaya dito.
Did the butterfly go into
There's papaya. Oh, magtinola tayo mamaya. Oh, may papaya. Oh, tinola. Papaya.